I will show you how to install MOSAIC multiviewer. After downloading the software package, you can unzip it. The software package contains the installer as well as manuals and a quick install guide. Click setup.exe in order to install the software. Follow the wizard. I recommend to keep the default values. Read the license agreement and select I agree. You can select the initial configuration to start with. Select Advanced Configuration here. If you click on Yes, the multiviewer screen will be started automatically as well as the editor and a sample UDP streamer, for demo purposes. Now you can start editing your own input channels, multiviewer layout and tile mappings. More detailed functions are explained in our other videos.